Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can remove your phone number on Binance. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your Binance application on your device. You will see an interface like this. Then you need to tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner. From there, you need to choose your profile. Once you tap on your profile, it will bring you here. From here, you need to tap on security. So once you tap on security, all you need to do is to tap on the downward arrow right here, and you will see the phone number. So you can tap on the phone number, it will bring you here. You can edit the phone number, and there is the option that you can remove the phone number verification. You can just tap on the bin icon, and they will ask you one more time that are you sure you want to remove your phone number? If you're sure you want to do it, just tap on continue, and your phone number will be removed from your Binance account. So guys, this is how you can remove your phone number from Binance account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.